Sometimes you just have to eat a whole cucumber. I'm gonna make Armenian cucumber salad today, pickled with apple cider vinegar and onions. Super excited about this. It's a family favorite. If you don't know Armenian cucumber, it's the best part of cucumber. You don't have to take any skin off and very few seeds. It's the best part of the cucumber. You can't find it in most supermarkets, but you can grow it. Look how pretty the edges are. It looks all lacy. This is gonna be so cute in our salad. We're gonna layer the cucumber with onion, apple cider vinegar, salt and pepper, and a little bit of water to dilute the vinegar so it's not so biting. But I think it's gonna be yummy. You can do white onion, red onion. I think the white onion sometimes is a little sweeter, but the red onion is really pretty. Before I start crying. Apple cider vinegar. Okay, I'm gonna add a little water to dilute it. That's gonna be pretty close to right. Salt and pepper to taste. Gonna throw in more onion and give her a little mix. Put the lid on tight, and now we're gonna shake, shake, shake. Okay, in 24 hours, that's gonna be so yummy. Funny story, so I forgot the garlic. Garlic's gonna add so much to the flavor here, so we're gonna open it up, then we'll shake, shake, shake in a minute after the garlic. This is one of my favorite garlic presses because it gets all of the garlic. Cut off the end, then smash it, and the paper will come off so easily. Yummy garlic, I can smell that already. Let's try that again. Shake, shake, shake.